Hi, it's Charlie again, and this is just a follow up to a previous unboxing I did about Fifine and their wonderful microphone system, or remote microphone system to be specific. And what a great addition to the toolbox for any videographer or YouTuber. But I found out as I explored it further that there was no connection for the iPhone, and that was very disappointing. Now, partly my fault because I didn't take the time to read uh, the fine lines description, wherein it probably said not suitable for iPhones. Uh, I wrote to them, I responded to their inquiry about my satisfaction with the product, and I said, like really great stuff. It's going to add a great level of quality to any of the videos that I do, but disappointing because I use an iPhone for the most part in making any of the videos that I do, and it would have been great to have that ability to use the iPhone. Uh, and lo and behold, Sherry Lee from Fifine in Guang, I think it's Guangdong, China, took the time to send me the adapter so that it plugs into my iPhone. Now, that to me is brilliant, first class customer service. That's what it's all about. For what it costs, I would happily have paid for this, but she sent it to me without me asking, and that truly that's great customer service, and everybody should know about it because these people in China are producing a nice product and they're trying to get it out there to people like myself and you who want to make little videos. And if they can improve the product, then we should be giving them a little bit of feedback. And my feedback was positive in the video that you saw, but this is just really going to take it to a whole different level. So I was really thrilled that Sherry Lee had sent this to me and followed up with a little email to let her know if everything was okay. So to me, that's just top class, and Amazon, YouTube, all working together to bring this together. I've got this facility of sending her a message to her and through you guys so that you know that this is a great product. You should buy it. I mean, just think you could be 20, 30 feet away filming and the audio still comes through clear as a bell. So, if you're looking for a remote microphone, get this one from Fifine. Hope you liked this and follow up. Thanks very much. Bye for now.